Do you know what is a picture composition? Picture composition is a great way of practicing sentence structure and vocabulary in English. It also helps to develop skills of observation, creative thinking, and communications. Now, look at the pictures given below very carefully. Are they look beautiful? Yes, each and every picture is beautiful. I am trying to say something, and if we look these pictures very carefully, we can write many sentences about them. So children, always remember, picture composition is a description of the given picture in a form of paragraph written in a meaningful sentences. Some important steps of writing picture composition are: Number 1. Observe the given picture carefully. Number 2. Observe the things or objects in the picture. Number 3. Note down the things or objects. Mind mapping. Number 4. Now imagine the picture or the scene and try to frame every sentences based on the things or objects which you have noted. Now let's learn with the help of an example. Now let's learn with the help of an example how to write picture composition. Now look at the given pictures very carefully. Remember, step 1. Observe the picture very carefully. Remember, step 2. Now, look at the different objects or things in the picture. Can you all see and view the object and things in the picture? Remember it. Now come the third step. Do you remember? Yes. After looking at the different objects or things, let's make a list of the things. Yes, you get it right in the form of mind mapping. So children, by doing the mind mapping, I can see number 1. The sun, ball, boy, sky, house, flowers. After doing the mind mapping, do you remember step 4? Children, do you remember? Yes. Let's frame some easy sentences. The heading will be picture composition. Step 4 is let's frame some easy sentences. The heading will be picture composition And the sentences which I have framed are: always remember, it is a beautiful day. The sun is shining brightly. The boy is smiling. He is playing with a ball. There is a big house. The sky is blue. The flowers are also looking beautiful. So children, watch this video very carefully and understand the concept of picture composition. If you will learn all the steps, and then you will write very easily picture composition. Always remember, observe the picture carefully, do the mind mapping, frame easy sentences, write the sentences in the present form. Sentence should always be written in a form of paragraph. So children, last but not the least, never write the sentences in a point 1, 2, 3, 4 like this.